Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio, play music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2022 Vauxhall Vivaro. So we'll set the phone up first, go into iTunes Music, although once it's set up, anything that's playing on your mobile, be it Spotify or Amazon Prime Music, Apple Music, the soundtrack to a YouTube audio, YouTube Music, it should all play through the speakers in the Vivaro. So let's see, Rolling Stones, Vauxhall. If I click at the bottom on there, you will see Waiting on a Friend, iPhone speaker, Vauxhall here, and that's also the volume. They changed it on the latest iPhone update. So it's all set to play. All I have to do now is go over here to sources. That's on the radio. Sources. You'll see there radio or Bluetooth. We want Bluetooth. Waiting on a Friend, Waiting on a Friend. Turn that up. That's it. That's how you play music.